as a software engineer, fresh out of the college, I always wanted to be at a place which will challenge me every day, which will at least bring out the best in me every day. And now when I reflect back upon it, I think I've landed at the right place.
We believe in learning and sharing. That keeps me motivated here, and that's the reason I'm here.
It's a very open environment. It is very easy to to approach people for guidance. Not just people from your team, but people from other teams, the technical project managers, the senior member from the management team. Everybody is extremely approachable.
And just after 1 week, you will get an opportunity to work on a live projects. That's amazing. It's not necessary to have a prior IT industry experience. It's just after a few weeks, you will be getting an opportunity to work on a live projects. That was really excited for me for my first year in this company.
It's been a great journey since day one till now, both technically as well as professionally. So MAQ has given me a lot of opportunities to grow technically, wherein we've had a lot of technologies, a lot of different areas that we've touched upon in these past 4 years. So right from on-premise using SQL Server and all, now to the in things with AI, ML. So I've got that huge exposure.
So everyone starting from very less than 1 year experience, everyone will have a sense of ownership and accountability. Managers will give you freedom to share your own ideas, share your own thoughts.
It feels great to be able to contribute to the growth defining journey of such a large scale company, right? I'm a part of this growth defining journey, and it makes me feel proud to be part of such a journey.
We have a great support team, means across locations, Mumbai as well as Hyderabad, and we are very closely associated, or you can say very closely working with each other. So that's the main thing to be attached with MAQ software.
One of the good attributes about the organization is a very flat hierarchy. We follow a principle called servant leadership. So even if the senior management or your directors are highly approachable and available, people here don't compete against each other. People work towards making each other successful.
The way I have grown in the company, the way kind of responsibilities have come in my way, have been thrown towards me. It's challenging also and exciting also. So I'm able to embrace it, and company is helping me, enabling me to go forward in that direction.
We also have monthly events. We've had sports day, then we've had 1-minute games. We do a lot of these small events that happen once or twice every month, which keeps people engaged.
The culture of MAQ software is to have the consistency in communication, in processes. It's consistent across all 3 locations. They all work with the same understanding. They have the goals for all of the teams across this location is same, to satisfy their customer needs, to adopt the latest technologies, and to just deliver their best.